global warming, and we believe it exists due to the melting of the ice caps, increase in forest fires, and increase in the power of hurricanes. We need to reduce our production of greenhouse gases because the increase of greenhouse gases are increasing the temperature of this earth. The chemical process behind global warming. The sun rays get absorbed by any colored object on the earth, like chlorophyll. The energy absorbed by the chlorophylls is released back into the atmosphere as infrared radiation, which is heat. The heat is then absorbed by carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, which then reflect the heat back into the earth, and the more carbon dioxide, the more greenhouse gases, the more reflection of heat. Al Gore, an American politician and former Vice President of the United States, reconciles with global warming and states that in around 7 years the northern ice caps will totally melt during the summer. David Suzuki, an environmental activist, also reconciles with global warming and states that the ingress of CO2s warm up our Earth. Global warming can have a huge impact on our daily lives, where from overheating the Earth, many things can happen, like the increase in forest fires, farms into deserts, increase to floods, and increase in the power of hurricanes. All of these things equal up to the destruction of the Earth. We need to stop that to live long. Canada can also help fight against the global warming, where they can use or invest into these oil rigs. This oil rig is found in Netherlands, and when it sucks the natural gas from underneath the seabed, it separates the CO2s and turns it into liquid and hides it deep into the ground, instead of the CO2s going into the atmosphere and increasing the greenhouse gases. We as humans can also help stop global warming, where we can stop using these type of light bulbs and start using more energy efficient light bulbs like the one on the right. And we can also decrease the use of our cars because they exert so much CO2 into the atmosphere. Instead, we can use public transit because with less people driving cars, less CO2s will be exerted. Scientists compare our atmosphere to the past atmosphere in history by using ice core samples. These samples are found by digging deep into the ice, usually in the North Pole. These ice samples have air pockets which contain air from the past atmosphere in history. When we have these results, we can estimate what changed the atmosphere.